Hello there, my name's Steve Jones, and in this video today I'd like to tell you about Kaylee.io. This is a new platform for booking individual lessons on traditional music instruments, mainly Irish music, including instruments such as fiddle, mandolin, the flute, the accordion, the concertina, the harp, the guitar, and there's already quite a large roster of teachers available on Kaylee.io, including some extremely competent people, a variety of different lesson plans, different durations. So why don't you nip over there and check them out? And should you be interested in lessons on the C-sharp D accordion, maybe I can help you. While I'm not by any means a virtuoso, I do have the advantage of knowing Irish music very well. Before I came to the accordion, relatively late in life, I played the fiddle and the tin whistle for decades and have a good understanding of Irish music and a good style. And I think, being largely self-taught, I think I can help you demystify the box and explore such topics as playing in different keys, developing fingering strategies to help you get around the keyboard efficiently, using your bellows to state your rhythm accurately, to drive your rhythm, and many other topics besides. So if you'd like to book a lesson with me, head on over to Kaylee.io, Kayley.io, and if you do book a lesson with me, I really look forward to meeting you and seeing what we can explore together to increase our appreciation of Irish music and this crazy instrument, the button accordion. Thanks.